Okay, hi everybody. This is Dr. Khorsandi. We're here with one of our patients who's had some great results, and I just wanted to spend a few minutes with her and let you know what's going on, what we did. So, can you tell us a little bit about background and what's been what brought you here and what's happened since then?
Well, I am 61, and since I was about 50 years old, I've been suffering from both snoring and severe sleep apnea. So I have started seeing a sleep specialist and was asked to start use of a CPAP machine. And I think I went through every combination and mask and everything possible, but just unable to tolerate it. I have apparently pediatric sized nasal passages or whatever, that's what I was told, and felt like I'd been sleeping in a wind tunnel all night. I'd wake up with sinus headaches, and over months and months just kept being told that's what I have to do, and didn't want to do it, but also knew the risks of the apneas. So I went to a private consultation of a sleep specialist on my own and was referred here. And after, by the way, I've forgotten a major piece. I did have a major surgery to reduce some of the soft tissues in the back of my throat and to actually forward my tongue in a hope to do this. And then was told I would need to have further major surgery and have my jaw cut, and reluctant to do that. That's why I did the private consult and then started to use this oral appliance, which a year and a half, 2 years later, I've been back and had subsequent sleep tests, and very happy to say I have a significant improvement statistically.
Yes, yeah, we're always excited, and I love sharing this with our fans and patients online. And we did this with an oral appliance, and this is after she's tried CPAP and surgical options. And I think this is by and far the nicest and easiest and most effective way for the majority of patients, especially ones who can't use a machine or have tried surgically as well. And we're just happy to see her here. She's traveling all the way from
the middle of Canada. And yeah, I'd like to add to that. I mean, obviously, if you can avert a major surgery, that's always best. It did take me some getting used to with the appliance. I was told to, just try and relax and not be so cognizant of it, and that helped. And the other thing was, what worked for me is I waited until I was just ready to fall asleep.
Yes.
And then put it in and put my head down, and soon enough it was in all night and getting good results.
That's what we love to hear. So just wanted to share this with you and introduce you to our wonderful patient here, traveling all the way from Canada. We're in Newport Beach today, by the way, so it's a little bit of a journey, but we love having her here, and she loves coming here. So thanks again, everyone. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, you can post them below this video when I put it up, and have a great day, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.